We do it almost every morning, and over 33% of us do it at least 3 times a day. Hitting that snooze button, that irresistible urge to snooze and stay in our comfy beds, is something we fight every morning. And it makes us late, rush out the house, get stuck in stressful traffic, and lose valuable morning time. It's time we stop losing to the snooze. This is Ruggie, the world's best alarm clock. Getting out of bed has never been so easy. Simply stop your alarm by resting your feet on its soft memory foam padding. Think you'll just fall back into bed? Ruggie's alarm needs to sense your pressure for at least 3 seconds. And now that you're up, Ruggie rewards you with customizable speeches. Have it say daily motivation or just something positive in a funny voice just to start your day off right. The true beauty of Ruggie is that it lets you easily get out of bed earlier, because it's no secret early risers are often linked with success. The CEOs of Apple and Starbucks, champion athletes like Mike Tyson and Kobe, are all known to be early birds. And when you effortlessly get out of bed early, you feel more optimistic. You gain minutes to your days, hours to your weeks, and days to your years. Extra time you can spend doing what you want to do before what you have to. Spend it with our loved ones or on ourselves to focus and achieve whatever it is that we want. You'll literally get more out of life with Ruggie. So join us in taking back this precious time from the snooze. And back Ruggie today.